So the Federal Reserve just had their big meeting. And if you're wondering whether right now is a good time to buy a home, sell a home, if interest rates are going to come down, or if the housing market is crashing, listen up because I'm going to go over everything you need to know broken down simply. If you don't know who I am, my name is Lazaro Cocho. I'm a real estate agent and a bit of a nerd when it comes to economic trends and data that comes out. So I figured, why not create this channel and share it with people like you? That way you know what is going on. So make sure to subscribe and do me a favor, like this video because YouTube loves it, I'll love it, and I'll know that this content is doing good and reaches other people just like you. What did the feds do? Well, they decided to hold interest rates steady. They didn't raise them, they didn't cut them, they left them as is, which means that borrowing money is still expensive. And it at least hasn't gotten worse, for now anyways. So technically, they are holding the federal fund rate at 4.25 to 4.5%, and that is the rate that banks use when lending to each other, not to us. Now, we typically see a trickle-down effect when it comes to credit cards, car loans, and of course, mortgage rates. So right now, interest rates are around 6.8% when it comes to a 30-year fixed rate. And a lot of buyers are still sitting on the sidelines. I'm having these conversations every day, and the biggest reason as to why a lot of people are not entering the market is because of interest rates. Now, will mortgage rates come down? I don't know, but there is a lot of speculation and rumors that we might see a cut at the end of the year. And hopefully that would be nice because when we saw last December, we did see a rate cut and a lot of people were able to get interest rates at around 6.25%, which might not sound like a lot, but it does make a difference between 6.8 and 6.25. Now, in order to see said rate cut, the Fed said that they need to see more data when it comes to inflation and unemployment before they'll consider cutting rates. So we might get a relief at the end of the year if things keep trending good the way we need them to be. But nothing is guaranteed, especially with tariffs coming into the mix and rumors of layoffs and unemployments going around. So this is the big question, and I have this conversation a lot with people. Is now the right time to purchase a home? And I'm gonna tell you the truth. If you're waiting for the perfect market, you're going to miss your window. It happens every single time. And right now, prices are not falling. In most places, they're climbing or they're heading steady, especially when it comes to move-in ready homes. Now, like I mentioned, a lot of buyers are sitting on the sidelines because of interest rates. So if we do see interest rates drop, what's gonna happen is you're gonna end up with a lot of competition. And the market will heat up a little bit and you might miss on the opportunity because of said competition. So whether now is a good time or not, the big indicator needs to be your finances. Are you in a financial position to purchase a home? Let's talk about real estate market forecasts that have been going on in 2025 and what I predict is going to happen for the rest of the year. So right now, $1 million homes, luxury homes are selling like hotcakes and flying off the shelf. Now, when it comes to first-time home buyers and the middle class, I am seeing a lot of hesitation and caution when it comes to purchasing a home, which is understandable because borrowing money has stayed expensive. And last thing, which might be a little concerning, is that FHA loans, can't talk today, are showing more delinquencies, meaning people are falling behind on their payments. Now, these are signs of financial stress, especially in the lower income brackets, but that does not mean that there's going to be a housing market crash. It just means that there is a softening in the market and a shift. We are starting to lean more into a buyer's market because a lot more homes are coming into the market and are sitting because we don't have enough buyers that can truly afford a home or are being cautious and are worried about the current economic situation. Now, real quick on the commercial real estate side, and I want you to think office buildings, retail space, things have been quiet. With high interest rates, investors don't want to jump in right now. Everybody is still waiting to see on those rumors that I talked about possible cuts in September, which might be good for everybody. But there's been a lot of quietness going on right now, even on the commercial side. So here's the bottom line. Right now, the Feds did not cut rates. Mortgage rates are still high, but at least they're holding steady and not fluctuating like crazy, which is a good sign. Home prices are not crashing, they're just leveling out, and the market is softening and starting to shift over to a buyer's market. And if you're serious about buying, this is less about timing and more about when you are ready. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. That way I know I'm doing a good job about giving you guys information. And check out this video that pops up, because I'm sure you're gonna like it, and I'll see you there.